Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week, and it is important that we start the week with a good trading plan. Okay, so we will be checking out the trend of some of the assets in today's video and see what we are most likely to achieve throughout this week or probably today. Okay, so this is very, very important. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love this content or the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will always be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, and let's check it out right from here. Okay, um this actually started a downtrend. Sorry, it started a downtrend somewhere around here from this zone. You can see the markets switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it's so till it got to this particular support region. So it has not been able to break out from here. If you should notice, got to the support region around there, also around there, and also around here. Okay, so and of course it's respected it again and went back up, switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. So this is still buying at the moment, and we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out above it, okay, so probably it might be getting to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So for GainX 1200 is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, just the way we have seen it. Okay, now let's move on, guys. Let's move on. This is GainX 999. Okay, GainX 999 started an uptrend from this support region. You can see it switching from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. There are major pullbacks in between. Okay, so at this point it was on the above this resistance zone, and we can see it selling till it got to this region. Okay, so it is important that we highlight that part also where it stops. Okay, that might give us a kind of idea of what we are most likely to get later on this chart. Okay, because right from there it started pushing up. Okay, so we want to see where it's going to get to, if it will get to this resistance zone. Okay, so if it gets to the resistance zone and if it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will come back down, and this is where the trend line will also work. Okay, because it will give you an idea of where we are most likely to have a major pullback like that. Okay, so this is very, very important. So for now it is still buying until we are able to get a clear signal of where it is going. Okay, so if you should notice, we had break of structure, a major break of structure around there. Okay, so if it breaks out above this, then this is going to be another major break of structure. Okay, so we should understand that. But if it does not, then probably we might be having a change of character if it breaks out below this trend line. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, let's check out PainX 1200, still on 15-minute time frame. This had also been on uptrend for a while, but got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to go further, so it came on downtrend, switched to a downtrend, and started selling. Okay, it started selling, got to this region, and of course it's going back up. So if it breaks out above this, let me just highlight some specific area. It's going to be targeting this region, but if it breaks out above it, then we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so I hope you guys are following. So this is how you just need to read your charts. Okay, this is how you read your charts, and of course, and the indicator will also help you to read it better. Okay, so already we've noticed that it is on downtrend right here, but if it should break out from here, then definitely it is changing character at that point. Okay, so and of course might be targeting this region. If it should break out from here, then definitely it is going to be heading towards the resistance zone at the top right here. Okay, so this is still um um moving towards this at the moment. So let's see what will happen when it gets here. If it gets here and it does not break out from there, then definitely it will crash down. Okay, so then it will mean that we are still selling more at that point. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's see PainX 999. This is PainX 999, and just the way we have seen it. Okay, this had been on uptrend. Okay, it had been on uptrend. You can see it came down and went back up. Okay, so it's broke the structure at this point. Okay, to get to this region. Okay, so and of course after if you should notice right here is a resistance zone also, so also this side also. Okay, so if it should break out above it, then definitely it should be the top, I mean, to the top, this particular resistance region. But if it does not, we are most likely to have a pullback before pushing it up. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with. As you can see, all these will help you to have a better understanding of how the assets are working. Okay, and of course it will help you to know the exact trend they are right now. For those that are having this custom made indicator, you can follow up with the analysis and see how you can profit more. But if you are not having, okay, you can also join the Telegram channel. I will do some analysis right there and drop some signals for you guys. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.